Hello, and congratulations on being admitted to the Brown Pre-College program. The next step in your Brown Pre-College journey is to select and enroll in a course. Please note that you must enroll in a course to secure your spot. Being admitted does not guarantee you a space in a program or course. In this video, we'll show you how to enroll in a course. The first step to enroll in a course is to accept your admission offer and pay your deposit. We encourage you to check that your desired course or courses are available prior to paying your deposit. Please note that if you are a verified partner scholar or a verified Providence Public School District student, your deposit is part of your scholarship and you will be able to proceed through the steps without a payment required to enroll in a course. First, you'll need to check your decision and submit your deposit. You can do so by logging into your account at precollege.brown.edu. Simply click the login on the top right and then enter the student email and password that you created when you first created your application account. Scroll down on the home page. There, you'll see that a decision letter is available. You can click underneath where it says, "Click here to view." You'll see that your decision is ready. Click the blue button that states, "View your decision." You can read your decision letter and read the next steps to join. At the bottom of the letter, you'll see a green button that says, "Reply to offer." Click this button, and then you can accept your offer. After clicking Accept Offer, you can choose that you will pay online and then sign your name. Click Confirm and it will bring you to a page where you can enter your payment information. Click the green Pay Now button and then scroll through. You can select your payment method, your credit card type, and then enter your account number, expiration date, security code, and the name on your card. Afterwards, you'll enter your billing information and your contact information. Please note that this program deposit is non-refundable. Check the box that states you understand the refund policy and then click Continue. After your deposit is complete, you will then be able to select and enroll in a course. Please be advised that to enroll in a course, the course must have seats available and you must meet any age and/or prerequisite requirements. Once you've successfully deposited, you can enroll in a course. First, navigate to the Courses and Events tab in your student portal and click Course Catalog. Once in the course catalog, you can use the filters on the left to filter down which courses you're looking at. You can show open courses and courses you're eligible for, as well as filter courses by start date, course length, or by subject of study. You can also use the search bar to search. When you find the course you're interested in, you can click the red Click to Learn More button underneath its short description. Here, you can read a longer description, read any prerequisites for the course, and also see the length of the course, its meeting time, and its dates. When you are certain that's the course you're interested in taking, click the red Enroll Now button at the bottom. When you're successfully enrolled, the course will appear in your course cart under Courses I'm Taking. You can navigate back to the course cart under the Courses and Events tab in the student portal. We'll reach out with next steps shortly after you enroll. You can also view an enrollment estimate and information about that total estimate as well. After enrolling in a course, you will need to pay your bill when it is time. Billing information will be emailed to you beginning in late March. At that time, you will be directed on where and how to pay and will be reminded about the payment deadlines. In order to prepare for this, you can check out our financial policies and payment information webpage under Dates and Costs at precollege.brown.edu. If you have questions, please reach out to us at precollege@brown.edu or by calling 401 863 7900.